The snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas when everyone's around.
Naaamoy kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. Sa tuwing papasok na po ang buwan ng Burr months, ano po ba yung mga nadarama natin? Ano yung mga inaasam-asam natin? Lalong-lalo na po ngayon na we have a situation, medyo namimiss natin dyan yung, of course, yung mga Christmas carols, yung mga Christmas lights, mga parol, and at the same time, of course, mga pagkain. So, good thing, mga pagkain po ngayon are readily available for, deliveries, for pickup, for orders, and isa po sa mga pinagmamalaki ng San Simon and Apalit is Imang Special Bibingka. So, this recipe is actually since 1960. So, of course, ang naka-invento po niyan is si Imang Fels. I'm excited to taste this. I haven't tasted this. Of course, ang bibingka po natin, meron siyang itlog na maalat, meron din siyang cheese, and meron din siyang kinudkod na nyong. The usual, ingredients that we get for a bibingka. Okay, let me taste it. Wow! So, yung unang kagat ko, guys, is nakakuha kagad ako ng itlog na maalat. And, yeah, it is actually buttery. Nagustuhan ko pa dito is medyo burnt yung surface niya. So, that adds up additional smoky flavor. Okay, let's taste it again. Wow! Maganda pa dito, guys. Ternohan mo to ng chocolate de baterol or even, a simple hot coffee. This one, usually pag kumakain kami ng bibingka, is during the night. So, most of the time, nagiging siya midnight snack or very late food for a dinner. Alright! So before we continue, guys, let's talk about some information about them. So available po siya in various delivery couriers like Atad, Pakiboy. And aside from that, kung malapit lang po kayo sa mga branches nila, I think it adds up the experience kapag ikaw mismo yung bumibili sa tindahan. So they are located at Purok 1A, San Juan, Apalit. And then yung second branch po nila is located at 105 Poblacion, San Jose, San Simon. Wow! I'm gonna have another for what a great experience, no? Sabi nga po sa inyo, whenever there's the chill feels ng December, ito yung pinaka mga go-to food natin, mga bibingka, mga puto bongbong. And I can still remember when we started to get serious in vlogging, bibingka po yung unang-una namin na video. We were eating bibingka sa daan, and what a great way to reminisce that one. You know what? For a price of 70 pesos, you're gonna enjoy this one. Another one, guys. So guys, if you wanna experience early Christmas chills or Christmas feels natin with the bibingka, make sure to check out Imang Special Bibingka. This recipe has been enjoyed since 1960. Maraming salamat, Imang Fels, for coming up with this kind of recipe. Wow! So, again, guys, this is too many for me. I'm gonna share it with my family. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Please do check out Imang Special Bibingka. Give them a hug, give them a love by following them on their mga social media handles nila. So, once again, thank you so much for watching Wear in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.